Hey, welcome everybody. It's KB here, and in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to get extra taskbars on Windows PC. And as you can see already, I have two taskbars, one at the top, one at the bottom. Bottom one is the default, that is the Windows taskbar, and top one is the one that I got extra one. Okay, and you can add more than one extra taskbars, as much as you want. All right, so let me delete this is called link bar. Actually, this is the program link bar. I will put link in the description for the official GitHub page. From there you can download this program, and this program lets you add more taskbars to your Windows PC. I'm using Windows 11, but it works on Windows 7, 8, 10, 11. So whatever version of Windows you have, you can get more taskbar for your use. It's pretty cool, and actually it works so well. Okay, so download this. As I said, I will put link in the description for the GitHub page. From there you can get this. This is going to be a portable version of the software. It's a open source, free, don't worry about anything. Okay, download this, unzip it, and after unzipping it you'll get these files. Okay, if your PC is 64-bit, you can run 64-bit exe link bar. Okay, but if your PC is 32-bit, like 32-bit of Windows 10, 7, then you're gonna have to use the link bar exe. Okay, I have 64-bit PC, Windows 11, so I'm gonna run this. Double click on it, and here you need to create a folder to add all of your shortcuts for your new taskbar. So choose one folder or create one folder wherever you want to. So I'm gonna name it Taskbar 1, so I know this is number one taskbar, because we're gonna add more than one taskbar. Okay, so create, and at the top you can see by default it will give you the taskbar extra one, and you can actually move this wherever you want to move, top, left, right, bottom. It's amazing. All right, so now right away you can actually just go drag and drop files just like that. Okay, I'm gonna files or shortcuts, you can add them there, and if you want to customize it, right click on the taskbar that you added, go to settings, and after that customize it. Let's say I want this to be start from center, okay, not from the left. So I'm gonna go center, just like that. Apply. Now everything will match with my Windows 11 look. You know, Windows 11 has the centered taskbar, but if you're using Windows 10, maybe you will prefer the left side to right side. So yeah, pretty cool, right? And you can also go like bottom, apply, and it will stack on top of the Windows taskbar. And you can also do the auto hide thingy. It will automatically hide itself. Okay, and you can also customize how large you want to make your icon and taskbar. Okay, by default it will match the exact settings of default Windows taskbar. So if you like the size of default Windows taskbar, then leave it default, and you can also change colors and everything. Okay, this, I don't know, I have no words. For free, this works flawlessly. It's amazing. Okay, and you can go wherever you want, like left, or you want to go left, there you go. Your taskbar is at the left. All right, some people prefer taskbar at left, top, right, wherever you want to set. So yeah, this is going to be a very useful tool to have bunch of shortcuts on a extra taskbar. And you can also auto hide. Whenever you don't need it, it will automatically hide. So it's pretty cool thingy. So yeah, that's enough for the, okay, actually I'm gonna move it to top so I can add more items, and I can add more taskbars. It's pretty simple actually. Okay, very simple and easy to use. I'm gonna go top. Let's just go top. Okay, just drag and drop any file or folder to make a shortcut, just like that. You can see this is traffic monitor shortcut folder. Remember we made a folder inside the documents folder, taskbar 1. You remember this? So if we go inside, you can see all the shortcuts that we added to our new taskbar, or you can call it link bar. Actually, the program name is link bar, and it's amazing. It's free. I don't know how is this even possible. Such a good program for free. So just like that. Okay, and you can add more, like right click and a new link bar. Okay, I'm gonna go and create a new one. I'm gonna type taskbar 2. Okay, this is going to be our second taskbar. Select folder, create, and it's gonna create a second taskbar. Okay, and first of all, let's just move it to let's say left. Oh yeah, right or left. Okay, let's just go right, left. And now you can surround this like, wow. Okay, this is I'm gonna make my PC look amazing with the shortcuts. Okay, let's add another one. Actually, let's just surround our Windows PC with shortcuts, taskbars actually. Okay, I'm gonna create new one. This is amazing. I'm having fun playing with this, even though it's not a game, but I'm having fun. This program works so flawlessly. Taskbar 3, let's go. Okay, and we're gonna add this to the right. All right, to the right, just like that. And now we're gonna drag. Oh, actually, we should center everything so it will look cool, because I'm using Windows 11, so everything will look cool if we center. All right, center. And I'm gonna start adding in a bunch of games or programs, shortcuts. I don't have much programs actually. Okay, but you got the idea here. Okay, after this we're gonna check how much CPU and RAM is being used by this program. All right, and I'm gonna hide this. You got the point here. You can add like multiple taskbars, like as many as you want. Okay, so let's just change. Actually, the color is okay. Let's just leave it like that. You can also customize it, as I told you guys. Go to like panel, and after that you can go to dark theme to match with the Windows 11 taskbar. You can see now they look identical. All right, and I'm gonna do the same thing with this. Okay, we are finally done, and yeah, my Windows 11 is looking very cool now. Look at that. Let's open the program just to see how it works. Well, it acts like a real taskbar too. You can't, any program won't go beyond the taskbar unless you go full screen. That's what it is. This program is so well made and for free. I think it's amazing. And now let's check the performance. All right, how much CPU is being used by our link bar. If we can find it, yeah, we have multiple, like we have 3, so they're going to use individually more RAM and CPU, but CPU is like 0% actually. RAM is also not that much. Each of them are using like 5 to 6 megabyte. That's all. So wow. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. I will put link in the description for the official GitHub page for the link bar, this application, and using this you can customize your Windows PC amazingly actually. And even if you don't want to customize, just want to have extra taskbar for more shortcuts, then look no further. This one is like, wow, this application for free open source, this application is just mind blowing in my opinion. All right, that is it. Hope you enjoyed it and have fun with your multiple taskbars. Yeah, I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.